Uh-oh. Hi, baby. Are you gonna laugh at us? Hi. Uh-oh. Here comes a bottle. Oh, that's so nice, Cam Cam. Oh, we'll give him the rest of it.
Yeah.
It's got drool. You're so good. You're an awesome feeder. Kason, what, you don't want it? Oh, don't stick it out of his mouth. Oh, poor baby. Here, no, it's okay. You can get it with the bib. Like that. There you go, baby. Are you happy now? Are you happy? Your brother says, that's it. That's all you get.
I have more.
It's got more in there. Oh, see if she wants more. Oh, I think so. Okay, leave it there. Oh, hold it good. What are you doing? Is that what he does? Oh, take it out. He's coughing. Take it out, Cam. He's coughing.
Yeah. I think he wants it.
Think he wants it? Oh. Oh, you gotta hold it good like this. Here, baby. I feed you. Hi, are you smiling at me?